Greetings students, welcome back to my class. Students, in the previous classes we finished a topic, grammar topic, determiners. I explained it to you and I took few assignments and tests based on determiners, and I am quite happy with your performance, and I am sure that you people have no doubts and queries related to the topic determiners. So students, in today's class we will start another grammar topic which you are familiar with, that is modals. So students, I explained it to you in previous classes also, and I am sure that most of you know about these modals, but still, when we use models and somebody asks कि भाई modals होते क्या हैं, many people they answer that they are helping verbs, auxiliary verbs, but the question arises that, as I have also written the definition, that what is modals, एरर्स क्यों होती हैं, जहाँ कैन आना चाहिए, कहाँ कुड आना चाहिए, कहाँ पर विल, वुड, शैल, शुड. Still, after explaining, and few other teachers also explained the students, and still students find difficulty in telling or expressing what are modals and use of modals. So don't worry, we will discuss again this topic and we will start in this class only. So modals, students, are as I have written, you can see also that modals are helping verbs, and also helping verbs है ये, and also known as modal auxiliaries verbs. और किस नाम से जाने जाती है, दूसरा क्या नाम है, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स, सहायक क्रियाएं. सहायक क्रियाएं होती हैं. टोटल मॉडल्स आई हैव रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड, लाइक कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड, ought to, need, must, dare, used to. So they are modals. In must में another form is has to, have to, had to. So they are also in the form of modals. Now student, the question arises, concept first. Before we do anything, we should understand the concept of it. What is the concept of modals? Definitions ratta maar ke, by cramming it, that will not help you, and I think that has not helped you so far. So we should understand the concept, then there will be no problem. You can easily use them, and you can easily use them when you are speaking, or when you are doing some exercise, or when you are writing some things. So you can easily help you use them. So as the definition says, modals are helping verbs and also known as modal auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs. Student, now the question arises that if they are helping verbs, so what they help, what they help whom, and what happens after their help. So let's see by the examples before we go with what is the use of can, could, may, might. You people know, you have read it in grammar books also, but before that, before starting that thing, or before going to that, I would like to tell you, or I will few points about modals, that if they are helping verbs, if they are helping verbs, as the definition is saying, what do they help, whom do they help, किसकी मदद करते हैं, ये क्या होता है मदद करने के बाद, ये जानना ज़रूरी है स्टूडेंट्स पहले. So let's see, and I am sure most of you know about what is verbs, but many like a few students are there, those who don't even know about verbs. So let me just tell you about verb. What is verb? In Hindi we say kriya, action, any action. I have told you the easiest definition or easiest things to remember about verbs, that verbs, all the action words in the world are verbs होते हैं वो. Action, sleep, that is an action. Eat, jump, sleep, eat, jump, like this only. Watch, not no watch, देखना. Smile, cry, like this only. There are numerous actions are there which they are called verb. They are called verb. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? ये verb कहलाते हैं. So they are called verb. जो कुछ एक्शन दिखाते हैं, कुछ क्रिया दिखाते हैं, कुछ काम होना दिखाते हैं, इसको हम verb कहते हैं. They are called verb. More verbs are there: play, laugh, enjoy, pick, eat, sleep. So they are verb. So and they have verbs have first form, second form, third form, ing form, ses form. I have told you this. And now modal says that they are helping verbs. सहायक क्रियाएं होती हैं modals. तो सहायक क्रियाएं means what do they help? Like if I write one example, we write I do this work. This is a simple sentence, students. I do this work. मैं ये काम करता हूँ. Where is verb in this? This is not helping verb here. ना, work is noun, I is pronoun, and this is work is noun. Yes, work is noun. This ये article which determiner? This demonstrative determiner. ये काम मैं करता हूँ. And this is pronoun. So we are talking about modals. There is no modal in this. There is no modal in this. But if we write help करना, if we write I can do this work, I can do this work. अब ये can का मतलब सकना है, मैं पूछना है, सकता, करना, may का भी वही मतलब है, should मतलब चाहिए. These are cramming ways. Understand the concept here, students. I do this work. This is a normal sentence. मैं ये काम करता हूँ. Verb है ये, काम करना. Do मतलब कुछ करना. Right? Now I can do this work. As the words definition is saying, modals are helping verbs. So what? They are helping the main verb. This is main verb. ये मुख्य क्रिया है यहाँ पर. This is the main verb do, and this is helping verb or modal auxiliary verbs. Now you will say, sir, helping verb to is, am, are, was, were, this, has, have. They are also helping verb. Yes, they are helping verb. Right? But and now you will say, sir, ये भी तो helping verb है. Was, were, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, do, does, did. They also help and sentences to make question. Like if we will put this do here. Do I do this work? क्या मैं काम करता हूँ? ना, am I going there? Now, so sir, this is also helping verb. So what is the difference in this and these? These helping verbs: can, could, may, might, shall, should. And what is the difference in is, am, are, was, were? Let's see. Why are modal verbs helping verbs हैं? पर क्यों हैं? Help करने के लिए. Help करके क्या होता है? When they help the main verb, they express something. They express. What do they express? They express ideas. They express ideas. What kind of ideas or moods we can say? Permission. They express ability. They express possibility. They also express request, command, obligation. Obligation means दायित्व, कोई जिम्मेदारी. Obligation, दायित्व. They express moral duties. They also express like advice also. I have not written, but they also express advice. सो व्हेन दे हेल्प द मेन वर्ब, स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड, मॉडल्स हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं पर वो किसकी हेल्प करते हैं? मेन वर्ब। दे हेल्प द मेन वर्ब्स एंड व्हेन दे हेल्प द मेन वर्ब व्हाट हैपेंस, क्या होता है हेल्प होने के बाद? ये होता ही है कि वे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं आइडियाज़ और मूड, लाइक परमिशन, उस सेंटेंस में परमिशन है ये एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। अब आप ऐसे तो नहीं लिख सकते ना सेंटेंस, लाइक जस्ट सी द एग्जाम्पल। आपको चाहिए है परमिशन और आप लिख रहे हो आई कम इन सर, आई कम इन सर। अब आप किसी को परमिशन देना चाहते हो कि तुम ये काम कर सकते हो, अब ये काम करो ना, ये काम कर सकते हो, तो आप लिख दिया यू डू दिस वर्क। अब आपको कहना तो ये चाह रहे हो कि आप यू आर अ सोल्जर एंड यू नो दिस इज़ योर ड्यूटी टू डू। अगर हम ऐसे लिखना चाहें कि नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू द परमिशन टू डू दिस वर्क, बट फुल सेंटेंस हम लिख सकते हैं ना, नाउ आई एम, इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू द परमिशन टू डू दिस वर्क, लॉन्ग सेंटेंस। सो व्हाट आल्सो हेल्प्स टू मेक द शॉर्ट सेंटेंस, राइट। अब ये कोई सेंस बना रहे हैं, आई कम इन सर, मैं अंदर आता हूँ सर। अगर आपको परमिशन लेनी है आप ऐसे लेंगे, नो दिस इज़ नॉट द राइट वे, यू डू दिस वर्क, तुम ये काम करते हो, इसका तो ये सेंस निकल रहा है, बट आपको परमिशन देना है, राइट। तो परमिशन लेने के लिए अब आपको रिक्वेस्ट करनी है। अब आप किसी से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो कि हेल्प करो, अब आप ऐसे लिखोगे हेल्प मी, तो इसका मदद यही हुआ कि मेरी मदद करो। बट आप जब रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, प्लीज़ लगा सकते हो कृपया। अब किसी से अगर क्वेश्चन पूछना है, मैं क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे या क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो, तो उसके लिए हम अगर ये लिखेंगे नो हेल्प मी, मेरी मदद करो। लेकिन आप कहना चाहते हो इफ़ विल यू, सो विल यू, कैन यू, मे आई, क्या आप कहना चाहते हो कि क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूं, तो क्या आप ऐसा लिखते हैं आई हेल्प यू, तो इसका मतलब तो ये हो जाएगा कि मैं आपकी मदद करता हूं, राइट, आई हेल्प यू। पर आप कहना चाहते हो कि क्या आप तो पूछ रहे हो किसी से क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूं, पूछना है ना, तो हम ऐसे नहीं पूछते हैं, राइट। सो दे हेल्प अस टू एक्सप्रेस ideas. What types of ideas they express? I have told you like request, command, permission, possibility, probability. अब आप ये possibility में आप you want to say possibility, अब आप ये दिखाना चाह रहे हो उसमें possibility कि सर कल आ सकते हैं, तो आप लिखोगे सर come tomorrow, that is wrong. सर कल आते हैं, ये तो नॉर्मल सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग बिकॉज देन एस शुड कम हियर, सर कम्स टुमारो, सर कल आते हैं, व्हाट डज दैट मीन, रॉन्ग। अगर आपको बोलना है पॉसिबिलिटी दिखा रहे हो सर, अब आप लिख दो सर विल कम, पूछना चाहते हैं हम, सॉरी आप पॉसिबिलिटी दिखा रहे हो, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट माइनर पॉसिबिलिटी है चाहे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी है, दिखाने के लिए हम ऐसे लिखेंगे सर गिर सकते हैं ना, सर फॉल डाउन, सर फॉल्स डाउन, सर फॉल्स डाउन, सर गिर सकते हैं। आप बोलना चाहते तो गिर सकते हैं, बट दिस डज नॉट मीन, इसका मतलब सर गिरते हैं, राइट। सो व्हेन वी ऐड मॉडल्स इन दिस to express ideas like request, permission, obligation, right, moral duties, command, order, command means order, advice, permission and possibility है, ability. So now let's see what I say, I do this work, I come in sir, when we have written I come in, this does not make sense. आप परमिशन ले रहे हो, when we use may just before them, may I come in sir, question mark, it is showing permission, परमिशन है। अब आप दूसरा सेंटेंस था सर may come tomorrow, सर कल आ सकते हैं, पॉसिबिलिटी या प्रोबेबिलिटी, पॉसिबिलिटी या प्रोबेबिलिटी मीन्स संभावना है आने की, ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है कम भी, वो वी विल डिस्कस इट लेटर. सो दिस वॉज द कॉन्सेप्ट स्टूडेंट्स. यू हैव ग्रामर बुक्स, teachers will tell about this, that where we use can, where we use could, where we use should, where we use must, dare, need, used to, ought to, with this and that. But before using them, we should know that concept क्या है इनका. If somebody you have to teach someone, और आपसे कोई पूछ लेता है, तो you can tell them that modals are helping verbs and also known as modal auxiliary verbs. This is definition, we have crammed it रटली. समझाएंगे कैसे, एक्सप्लेन कैसे करें, कैसे यूज़ करेंगे. अगर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है, इफ़ योर कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ क्लियर, यू कैन ईजली एक्सप्लेन इट टू अदर, और यू कैन ईजली यूज़ दिस modals in your speaking, writing, etc. So I hope concept is clear that they help the main verb. तो पॉइंट्स हैं, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स हैं, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. जल्दी से नोट कर लो, लिख लो कॉपी में, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, जो मर्जी करना. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू इट. यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. दिमाग में रखना, दिमाग में रख लो, राइट. सो व्हाट इज़ द फैक्ट्स, सम फैक्ट्स हैं, इफ़ यू विल कीप इन माइंड, नोट डाउन कर लें, बेटर होगा. इट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू, दे विल हेल्प यू. सो मॉडल्स हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब, दे हेल्प द, पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दे हेल्प मेन वर्ब्स. मेन वर्ब्स को यू हेल्प करते हैं. दे डोंट हेल्प another helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were and this. I can do वहाँ पे मेन वर्ब होगा. may I come in, तो कम जो होगा वो मेन वर्ब है. they help main verbs. may I come in, अब ये कम जो है ये मेन वर्ब है, ये मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है. मॉडल वर्ब्स और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स बोल दो. दिस इज हेल्पिंग दिस टू एक्सप्रेस द आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट, आइडिया ऑफ परमिशन. यस, परमिशन क्या एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, भाव क्या निकल रहा है, मूड क्या है, परमिशन मांग रहे हैं, राइट. तो है दे हेल्प द मेन वर्ब्स. सेकेंड, दे आर ऑब्वियसली दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम normal verbs, but they are used with the main verbs. Obviously they are different from normal verbs. How they are different from normal verbs? Example देख लें स्टूडेंट्स. अगर आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि मैं सोता हूँ, तो आप ऐसे थोड़ा ना लिखोगे. अगर आप I can sleep, तो इसका जो मतलब होगा मैं सोच सकता हूँ, बट आप बोलना तो चाहते हैं, तो आई स्लीप लिखोगे ना. मैं खाता हूँ, आई एम प्लेइंग, आई एम स्लीपिंग, सो रहा हूँ मैं. तो अब इसमें हम लिख दें आई कैन एम स्लीपिंग, आई एम कैन स्लीपिंग. रॉन्ग है टोटली. सो when you will write I sleep, so they are different because the moment you use them they change, they express ideas. I have told you what ideas they express. So they are different from, but they are used with main verbs. They help the main verbs, right. The third point, students, they express ideas or to show ideas, such as I have told you, to show ideas such as, I told you that what kind of ideas they express. They express request, command, permission. रिक्वेस्ट, कमांड, परमिशन, ऑब्लिगेशन. आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑब्लिगेशन मीन्स कोई दायित्व हो, कोई जिम्मेदारी हो. मॉरल ड्यूटीज़, नैतिक कर्तव्य. मॉरल ड्यूटीज़ दिखाते हैं. रिक्वेस्ट, कमांड, एडवाइस, किसी को कोई सलाह देनी हो, एडवाइस का यू शुड गो, शुड लगा दिया तो एडवाइस, वी विल डू इट लेटर, बट दे एक्सप्रेस दिस आइडिया एटसेट्रा. और भी आइडियाज़ हैं, राइट. This note it down quickly, don't waste it. Screenshot take, you whatever you want to do, screenshot लेना ले लो, नोट करना है कर लो. There should be no doubt. Okay, concept clear होना चाहिए. Must concept should be clear. ये ज़रूर clear होना चाहिए. Now another fourth point है, they have only one form. इनकी एक ही फॉर्म होती है. They are different from main verbs. Why? Because they have only one form. They have no ing form or ed form. Like normal verbs हैं. If sleep is there, चलो sleep तो slept होता है. We will take another verb. We will take, चलो we take play. So the second form played, third form is also played, ing form is playing, then ses also add, plays. So ये different है. First, second, past participle, verb, fourth form, ing form, and then this es form. So they, if modals में हम canned, canning, canned, this is totally wrong. They have only one form. इनकी एक ही फॉर्म होती है स्टूडेंट्स. They have no ing or ed forms. Okay, ed forms. I hope you are understanding the concept now. Now the fifth point you can add that they don't add s or es किसमें, to the third person singular. सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ऐड नहीं करते हैं. लाइक व्हेन वी राइट ही राइट्स पोम्स, वो कविताएं लिखता है, इसमें एस लगाना पड़ेगा ना. ही राइट लिखेंगे थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, तो ही राइट विल बी रॉन्ग. ही राइट्स पोम्स. बट अगर हमें लिखना है सेम एग्जाम्पल, सी ही कैन राइट्स पोम, चलो यहाँ पे हम ही कैन्स राइट पोम्स, नो, रॉन्ग. ही कैन राइट पोम्स, दिस इज राइट. Okay students, so they don't take s or es form. They have only one form. They don't take ing or ed with them, or they don't add s or es into the third person singular. Next point, I hope you have noted down. Note it down quickly or take screenshot. Have you taken? Good. Now next point, which is sixth point or maybe fifth point, whatever points you can write. Now this, they are followed by the first form of another verb. Now what is this? You will say, sir, what is this first form of another verb? In another way you can understand कि can modals के बाद जो दूसरी मेन वर्ब होगी वो हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही होगी. That means they can did this work will be wrong. Right sentence will be they can do this work. ये है right sentence. Means they are followed by the first form of the another verb. This is main verb, it is in first form, and they are followed by, they are before them or after them. Means if you are using modal verb, then you will use verb first form. Main verb, it will be first form. Whatever, sleep, eat, drink, I am teaching, I am to teach, watching, watch, standing, stand, I can stand on my own feet, मैं अपने पैरों पे खुद खड़ा हो सकता हूँ. So हमेशा first form ही followed होगी. Understand? कमेंट बॉक्स में आंसर लिख सकते कमेंट कर सकते हैं that yes sir we have understood. Okay, now see, this can be the last point. In another video we will do some another, if any point will be left I will explain it to the next video also. We will have 3-4 videos to this topic. So this another one is questions. I have prepared these points for you, so please note it down or take screenshot, whatever, pic खींच लो, take photo, screenshot, note it down, whatever you want to do, just do it. Questions are formed like we have when we take permission or we are offering something. So questions are formed using modal verbs. So when the questions are formed, the questions are formed without do, does, in, present and did in past. Did in the does in the present tense and in this did in the past. Like when we example देख लेंगे. Can I help you? There is no do does. You can simply, if it is in past, could I help you? May I come in? So do does हम यूज़ नहीं करेंगे इन modal verbs के साथ. If we are making question interrogative sentence, negative also same point with the same thing will be followed in negative also. Let's see one example of negative. You can add in this negative sentences. Do does नहीं आता है. Like एक simple example लेते हैं where we don't use he does not play football. Simple sentence है, because it is in present tense we have used first does not play. No, do does not. So this is negative. Does, chalo, does he play football? So this is negative interrogative. We have used does, third person है, that's why we have used does. In negative he does not play football. And interrogative जब हमने क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस बनाया does he play, this is without modals. But when you use modal, so can when we want to say, because they express ideas, तो हम simply लिखेंगे he can't play football. Negative sentence, no use of do does. Interrogatives, can he play football? This is interrogative, students. So I hope that this point is clear. When we make questions with the help of modal auxiliary verbs, we will not use do does in the present tense and we will not use did. अब ये could हो जाएगा. Could he play football? क्या वो फुटबॉल खेल सकता था? He could not play football. वह फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता था. Couldn't he play football? क्या वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता था? May I come in? Right? So we will not use do does or did. If do does we will not use in the present tense and did we will not use in the past tense. So these were the few points, students, which I wanted to tell you, and I hope that the concept of what are modals and what modal auxiliary, they also known as, they are helping verbs and they also known as modal auxiliary verbs. And what do they help? Whom do they help? What happens when they help? They help main verbs. And what happens when they help the main verbs? They show some ideas or they express some ideas such as request, command, advice, ability, probability, obligation, moral duties, so etc. So this was the concept for this class, students, and I hope that now the concept of modals is clear to you. If there is any point left which I should tell you, or before we go, that which modals express ability, which modal express permission, obligation, request, and moral duties and all these things. I hope that if anything is left or any point is left, I will tell you in the next video. In the next video we'll start using that, where we should use another modals, and like request, command, permission, advice, probability means possibility, और ऑब्लिगेशन, मॉरल ड्यूटीज, इन सब के साथ किन किन मॉडल्स का यूज़ होता है हम अगले वीडियो में करेंगे. एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड टिल देन दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे स्टूडेंट्स. वी विल मीट टुमारो. थैंक यू.